Twinkle Cubs, Kids Learning and Educational Channel.
Baby animals. Baby elephant is called a calf. Baby hippopotamus is called a calf. A bear's baby is called a cub. A fox's baby is called a kit. A zebra's baby is called a foal. A deer's baby is called a fawn. A kangaroo's baby is called a joey. A crocodile's baby is called a hatchling. A baby rhinoceros is called a calf. A penguin's baby is called a chick. A seal's baby is called a pup. A baby shark is called a pup. A baby whale is also called a calf. A camel's baby is called a calf. A rabbit's baby is called a kit. A giraffe's baby is called a calf. An alligator's baby is called a hatchling. A baby owl is called an owlet. A lion's baby is called a cub. A tiger's baby is also called a cub. A monkey's baby is called an infant. A sheep's baby is called a lamb. A cow's baby is called a calf. A hen's baby is called a chick. A cat's baby is called a kitten. A horse's baby is called a foal. A goat's baby is called a kid. A pig's baby is called a piglet. A duck's baby is called a duckling. A dog's baby is called a puppy. Like, share, and subscribe to Twinkle Cubs for more videos.